Brown.
Wow,
Okay.
brown. Very good.
How about yung purple?
Very
Okay.
good.
Yung orange. medyo. Pwede na. Yan, parang orange din yan. How about yung green?
Hindi ko.
Alam mo yun. Hanapin mo. Saan yung green?
Green.
Green, not blue.
Green.
Blue yan eh, blue.
Tingin mo.
Asan yung green? Puro naman blue.
Ayun, very good.
So, asan na ulit yung red? Red. Asan yung red?
Yung red.
Kalimut.
Kalimut. Kalimut. Si Red,
Oh, yung white
kalimut.
na lang, yung white. Where's the white? White. Asan yung white? Huwag mo yan. Asan yung white? White.
White.
Yun!
Very
good. How about yung pink? Asan yung pink? Oh! No? Pink. Tingnan mo dito. Asan yung pink ko? No, hindi yan pink. Asan yung pink? Hanap mo dyan. Hanap. Asan yung pink? Asan yung pink?
Nakalimutan din.
Din. Ano ba yan?